been hiking around all the world, as you can see in my YouTube channel. However, the hike I had in summer 2023 from Andorra to Puigcerdà in Spain was something special, a unique experience that I can't really put in words. But maybe this video can help me. Let's go. We start in Andorra. This seems a city that doesn't work very hard. It's 9:30 a.m. of a Sunday and there is no one around. Really, I'm the only one walking. So here officially starts the trail. From now on, up here until back in Spain. Let's go. The first step of my hike to Puigcerdà is a 15-kilometer climb with elevation gain of 1,500 meters to Refuge del Illa at 2,500 meters. A long climb where I'm surrounded by a very vivid nature, a really clear example of Pyrenean wilderness. Made it, Refuge del Lille. I'll spend the night there, but let's see, looks like a fancy hotel actually at 2,500 meters. Let's see what they have to offer. Kind of tired. Refuge del Lille is one of the many guest houses around the Pyrenees hiking routes. You can sleep for a price upstairs in a nice tidy room, or you can sleep downstairs just in your sleeping bag. However, in winter it gets very cold. So I passed the border now, back in Spain, but still a long way. 7 a.m. and let's see, mostly downhill today, so I will enjoy the scenery. After crossing into Spain, I get down from 2,500 meters to 1,800 in order to go back up again to 2,005. I am the only one, I can't see anyone apart the many cows that are typical of this area.
After the last guest house, I have a long way down where I head from 2002 to 1200 meters. A long way down when I have the opportunity to discover the surrounding, drink more water and explore the way down to Spain. Arriving to Puigcerdà is not that far after all.
The last part of the trail is on paved road. There behind me is Puigcerdà and 2-3 kilometers at the end. So it's been mostly downhill the last 4 or 5 hours, so happy to be at the end. Finally made it. Puigcerdà, I don't know how to say it. But here we go.